टेक्नोलॉजी के बाद मुझे लगा कि टेक्नोलॉजी बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है बच्चों के लिए, क्योंकि जैसे जो हम वीडियो के थ्रू बच्चों को दिखाते हैं, हम ऐसे समझाते हैं, बच्चों को बोलते हैं, बट वो इतनी जल्दी कॉपी नहीं कर पाते। लेकिन अगर उसी चीज़ को हम वीडियो के थ्रू, टेक्नोलॉजी के थ्रू दिखाते हैं, तो एक या दो नहीं, मैंने काफ़ी देखा है कि मोस्टली बच्चों में बहुत जल्दी कैच कर लेते हैं, वो बहुत जल्दी सीख जाते हैं।
पहले तो ऐसी जानकारी करी, अपने यहीं से ले गए, ऐसे करके बोले वहाँ चलना है, चलो लेकर। और वहाँ जाकर पता चली क्या रेट है, और जो रेट बिक गया उसी रेट में दिया करे। अब तो ये सुविधा है कि यहीं मालूम करा तब लेके जाऊँ मैं। और पहले तो ले गए एक बार, जो रेट बिक गया हुआ चमकदा या महंगा देख के आ गए। तो अब इस सर्विस से ये फ़ायदा हो गया कि अपने घर बैठ के पता करो रेट क्या है, तब ले जाओ। वहाँ सही ना लगा दूसरी जगह पता कर लो।
So mobile money is essential for financial inclusion to succeed. If digital payment networks get created, it's possible for a bank which is sitting in say a more concentrated geography to reach out to a large mass of people, to disburse cash, to collect savings. While it looks like a normal regular service which makes life convenient in an urban location, it seems very transformational for some of these people who don't have access to it otherwise.
आइडिया माई कैश से हमारे लिए लगता है कि कुछ बहुत बड़ा चीज़ आ गई है। हमारे लिए सारी चीज़ें, हर एक सुविधाएं जैसे महसूस होता है कि अब सब कुछ कर सकते हैं।
This is a news junkie country, and there are a lot of newspapers, and what we did with our product was got newspapers on, and in 11 languages, about 85, 87 in total. That we present to the users. So we have been very conscious of the fact that India is still not 3G. 3G, the biggest thing is it'll give us richer experiences, is the simplest answer.
I think it will do a lot of social good for this country because you'll have education, skilling, people having access to greater information, and that really drives commerce. And finally health, which is healthcare services, which is so critical in a country which is so vastly dispersed.
For consumers, we are the easiest booking channel available. Right? You can either call us through our call center, or you can just open our app on any smartphone, iOS, Android, BlackBerry, whichever smartphone you want, and with one tap get a car to your doorstep. That's what our value proposition is to consumers. For drivers, through this mobile technology, they get access to a huge number of bookings. Without us, they had no access to this entire aggregated demand, and so their revenues, their profits just go skyrocket once they start working with us. The more the consumers get access to 3G, the more they're able to use value-added services like ours on their smartphones. So right now, we get around 20%, 25% of our bookings through the mobile app. The remaining is through the call center, which itself is a mobile use case. But as we are going forward, we're seeing our mobile app usage just increase very fast. That's the fastest growing booking channel for us.
Mobile broadband, in India is nowhere near what has been achieved in many other parts of the world. Right? We are very far away from that.
The one thing that's missing so far is sort of the kind of internet access that broadband makes possible. We only have about 12% of our population on the internet, and that's rather small given that 70% of our population is on mobile phones. But once this becomes more common, I think you will find broadband transforming the way in which Indians communicate and live.